Blacktip shark is named after blacktip of the dorsal fin that can be seen when shark swims near the surface of the water. This species of shark can be found in tropical waters of Pacific and Indian Oceans and Mediterranean Sea. Blacktip shark usually lives near the coral reefs and in the shallow, coastal water. It can be found in estuaries and brackish water occasionally. People hunt blacktip sharks because of their meat, fins and skin. Destruction of coral reefs and nursery areas is another factor which decreases number of blacktip sharks in the wild. Blacktip sharks are listed as near threatened species. They are not endangered yet, but they can become endangered in the near future. Interesting blacktip shark facts. Blacktip sharks can reach up to 8 feet in length and 66 to 200 pounds in weight. Males are larger than females. Blacktip sharks have bluish-gray or brownish color of the skin. They have white line on the lateral side of the body. Even though blacktip sharks are best known by the black tip of dorsal fin, all fins end with specific, triangular marks. Blacktip sharks have blunt snouts and almond-shaped eyes. Blacktip sharks often appear in the shallow coastal waters that are only 12 inches deep. Blacktip sharks need to swim constantly to prevent suffocation. Water enters the gills only when shark swims. They also need to swim to prevent sinking, because they do not have swimming bladder. Blacktip sharks eat various types of fish, sardines, mackerels, mullets, large crustaceans, snails, octopuses, stingrays and squids. Blacktip sharks sometimes follow fishing boats to feed on discarded fish and other sea creatures. Main predators of blacktip sharks are large sharks. Blacktip sharks sometimes attack humans. Both provoked and unprovoked attacks have been reported. Luckily, without fatalities. Blacktip sharks often leap out of the water and spin in the air. This behavior may facilitate catching of fish that swim close to the surface of the water. Mating season depends on the geographical location, but most species deliver babies during the winter and spring. Pregnancy lasts 16 months and ends with 2 to 4 pups. Females give birth to live babies. Females are capable for self-reproduction. This phenomenon is called parthenogenesis and it results in creation of genetic copies of the mother. Parthenogenesis happens only when female cannot find partner for reproduction. Blacktip sharks give birth to babies in nursery areas, close to the coast. Young sharks stay in the coastal waters until they grow big enough. Shallow water keeps them safe from the large predators. Blacktip sharks reach sexual maturity at age of 4 to 5 years. Blacktip sharks can survive up to 12 years in the wild.